Namaste, travelers. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through India's Eastern Ghats route by train. Join me as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this scenic railway journey. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more exciting travel adventures. Introduction to the Eastern Ghats route. Welcome aboard the Eastern Ghats route, a breathtaking railway journey that winds its way through the Eastern Ghats mountain range in India. Stretching across several states, this picturesque route offers passengers a glimpse into the natural beauty and cultural diversity of the region. Historical significance. Did you know? The Eastern Ghats route has a rich historical significance, dating back to the colonial era when the British constructed the railway to connect the coastal cities with the hinterland. Today, it remains an important lifeline for both passengers and freight transportation. Scenic highlights. As our train chugs along, keep your eyes peeled for some stunning scenery. The Eastern Ghats route treats passengers to panoramic views of lush green valleys, cascading waterfalls, and rugged mountain peaks, making it a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. Cultural encounters. One of the highlights of the Eastern Ghats route is the opportunity to encounter diverse cultures and communities. As we pass through remote villages and bustling towns, passengers can witness the rich tapestry of Indian life, from colorful festivals to age-old traditions. Local cuisine. Let's not forget about the culinary delights. As we journey through the Eastern Ghats region, tantalizing aromas fill the air, tempting passengers with a taste of local specialties such as spicy biryani, flavorful curries, and mouth-watering street food. Cultural festivals. Immerse yourself in cultural festivals. Throughout the year, the Eastern Ghats region comes alive with vibrant festivals and celebrations that showcase the region's rich cultural heritage. Join in the festivities and experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals. Tribal heritage. Discover ancient tribal heritage. Along the Eastern Ghats route, passengers can learn about the rich cultural traditions of the indigenous tribes that call this region home. From unique art forms to traditional handicrafts, these communities offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. Monsoon magic. Experience monsoon magic. The Eastern Ghats route transforms into a lush green paradise during the monsoon season, with verdant landscapes, gushing waterfalls, and mist-covered mountains creating a magical ambiance. It's a sight to behold and a reminder of the natural beauty that thrives in India's rainy season. Hill stations. Explore charming hill stations. The Eastern Ghats route passes by several hill stations that offer respite from the sweltering heat of the plains. These picturesque towns boast colonial-era architecture, serene lakes, and verdant tea plantations, providing the perfect getaway for travelers seeking tranquility. Eco-friendly initiatives. Support eco-friendly initiatives. The Eastern Ghats route is committed to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions, conserving biodiversity, and promoting responsible tourism practices. Travelers can feel good knowing that their journey contributes to the preservation of India's natural heritage. Silk Route connections. Trace Silk Route connections. The Eastern Ghats route was part of the ancient Silk Route, which connected India to China and other parts of Asia through trade. Travelers can explore remnants of this historic trade network, including ancient trade routes, caravan trails, and bustling market towns. Folklore and legends. Unravel mystical legends. The Eastern Ghats region is steeped in folklore and legends passed down through generations. From tales of mythical creatures guarding hidden treasures to stories of divine beings shaping the landscape, these myths add an air of mystery and wonder to the journey. Ayurvedic healing centers. Discover ancient healing traditions. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can visit Ayurvedic healing centers that offer holistic wellness treatments based on ancient Indian healing principles. From therapeutic massages to herbal remedies, these centers promote health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. Tea and coffee plantations. Savor aromatic brews. The Eastern Ghats region is renowned for its tea and coffee plantations, which thrive in the cool, misty climate of the hills. Travelers can tour these plantations, learn about the cultivation process, and sample freshly brewed teas and coffees straight from the source. Colonial heritage. Delve into colonial history. The Eastern Ghats route is dotted with remnants of British colonial influence, including old railway stations, colonial-era buildings, and heritage railways. These historical landmarks offer insights into India's colonial past and its impact on the development of the region. Geological wonders. Marvel at geological wonders. The Eastern Ghats route showcases a diverse array of geological formations, from rugged cliffs and rocky outcrops to ancient lava flows and granite peaks. Geology enthusiasts will be fascinated by the geological history preserved in the rocks and landscapes along the journey. Sacred rivers. Follow sacred rivers. The Eastern Ghats route follows the course of several sacred rivers, including the Godavari, Krishna, and Tungabhadra rivers. These rivers are revered by millions of Hindus who believe that bathing in their waters purifies the soul and grants spiritual blessings. Traditional crafts. Celebrate artisanal craftsmanship. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can witness traditional crafts being practiced by skilled artisans, including handloom weaving, pottery making, and wood carving. These age-old crafts are an integral part of the region's cultural heritage and provide livelihoods for local communities. Hill forts. Explore ancient hill forts. The Eastern Ghats route passes by several historic hill forts that once served as strategic military strongholds and centers of power. These impressive fortresses offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes and provide insights into India's military history. Tribal markets. Discover vibrant tribal markets. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can visit bustling markets where indigenous tribes gather to sell their wares, including colorful textiles, intricate jewelry, and traditional handicrafts. It's a unique opportunity to immerse oneself in tribal culture and support local artisans. Coffee heritage. Celebrate coffee heritage. The Eastern Ghats route passes through coffee-growing regions that have been producing some of India's finest coffee beans for centuries. Travelers can visit coffee estates, learn about the coffee cultivation process, and sample freshly brewed coffee in scenic surroundings. Eco-tourism initiatives. Support eco-tourism initiatives. The Eastern Ghats region is home to numerous eco-tourism initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable travel practices and conserving biodiversity. Travelers can participate in nature walks, wildlife safaris, and community-based conservation projects that help protect the region's natural treasures. Rock-cut temples. Marvel at ancient rock-cut temples. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can visit spectacular rock-cut temples hewn out of solid rock faces, such as the famous Undavali caves near Vijayawada. These architectural wonders showcase exquisite carvings, intricate sculptures, and ancient religious artistry. Waterfall wonders. Discover hidden waterfall wonders. The Eastern Ghats route is dotted with hidden waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs and lush green valleys. From the majestic Duduma waterfalls in Odisha to the picturesque Athipothala waterfalls in Andhra Pradesh, each waterfall offers a refreshing oasis of natural beauty. Spice plantations. Explore aromatic spice plantations. The Eastern Ghats route passes through spice-growing regions where travelers can visit fragrant spice plantations and learn about the cultivation of spices such as pepper, cardamom, and cloves. It's a sensory journey through India's spice trade history and culinary traditions. Folk music traditions. Immerse yourself in folk music traditions. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can enjoy performances of traditional folk music that celebrate the joys, sorrows, and everyday life of the people. From soulful ballads to lively folk tunes, the music of the Eastern Ghats resonates with the spirit of the land. Heritage railways. Ride on heritage railways. The Eastern Ghats route is home to several heritage railway lines that have been preserved as tourist attractions, such as the Nilgiri Mountain Railway and the Araku Valley Railway. Travelers can embark on nostalgic journeys aboard vintage steam locomotives and explore scenic landscapes along the way. Biodiversity hotspots. Discover biodiversity hotspots. The Eastern Ghats region is recognized as one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, with a rich variety of plant and animal species found nowhere else on Earth. Travelers can explore national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves that protect this natural wealth. Sacred groves. Protect sacred groves. Throughout the Eastern Ghats region, travelers can find sacred groves, patches of ancient forests preserved as sacred sites by local communities. These groves are considered sacred by indigenous tribes and are important centers of biodiversity conservation. Rural handicrafts. Support rural artisans. Along the Eastern Ghats route, travelers can purchase handmade handicrafts crafted by skilled artisans from rural communities. From intricately woven textiles to finely crafted pottery, these artisanal products reflect the rich cultural heritage and craftsmanship of the region. And there you have it, an unforgettable journey through India's Eastern Ghats route, filled with unknown facts and unforgettable experiences. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy travels!